everybody. So I'm at a work event. We're looking at our new space downtown Detroit, and we're going to get a chance to do a tour of the Fox Theater and also go to a Tiger game. So I'll show you some of what I'm seeing in the Fox Theater and the Tigers game, but I won't be able to share the new workspace downtown Detroit, but it is absolutely amazing. So here's what it all looks like. We are in Florida, having a family vacation. So let me turn on the lights, y'all. As you can hear, you hear Elias in the background. I just wanted to show you guys our Airbnb, our condo that we're staying in, and then take you guys along the park that we're gonna be going to. Yeah. So let's go. So here is the front. When you first walk in, there's the door. Front, hang up your coats. Here's one room with 2 twin size beds. Oops. Very plain TV. I say very plain. It's nice, y'all. Here's another one. It's full size, or queen size or something like that, with a closet. And then over here, we have a bathroom, and there's the shower. Pretty nice. Oh, can't, I'm like walking away like real fast. As you can see, bump. Y'all probably noticed it from other vlogs, but yeah, here's the bump. This is baby girl, P, mama poppin'. Yeah, so here's the bathroom. Y'all know what? I brought the tripod too, and I didn't even get it. Here's the kitchen. It's in the suitcase. I'll use it for the park. Here is the kitchen. This refrigerator is so nice and big. Ain't nothing in here, y'all. We gotta fill it up. We're waiting for Donovan's parents to come. We got some people that's gonna be joining us, but we're not gonna have them on the vlog like that. Here is the living room area. We got all our junk. There's Easy crawling away. Here is the Wright's room. Y'all, it's already a hot mess. We took a nap. We got here earlier. They're not here. They'll be here soon. But y'all hear that thunder? Here's our residence, our bathroom and all that stuff, all that jazz. Easy following me. I gotta follow her. Let me turn the fan back on. And then here is the living room area where we will be chilling. And then, oh, I forgot to say too, there is like a little patio area too. It's pretty cool out in the back with some chairs, and we have one in the master room, which I just came out of. And then there's Donovan, way fun. And that's really it, y'all. So yeah, that's really it. We will take y'all along the ride in the morning or afternoon. We're not sure what we're gonna do as far as what time we're gonna get to the park, but we'll take y'all along to one of the parks that we're gonna go to. It won't be much because it's hot, but at least y'all get to see some of what we'll be doing. So yeah, stay tuned. So we are headed to Animal Kingdom with the fam. There go Donovan and Elias. Hey. Oh, he said hey. It's kind of blurry because my I was trying to turn around because my camera. Okay. Oh, there we go. So we're headed to Animal Kingdom. We're with Donovan's family, and I'm going to try to get us just like enjoying the moment, just little clips so you guys can see. We're wearing our Mickey shirts, our Disney shirts. So here's Mom's fit right here, and then here is Zone. Okay. And they go to Fit Incredible Dad. Yep. So see y'all at the party. We arrived at Animal Kingdom. We are walking to the entrance now. The cars are lining up. So, hey y'all, I have not been recording like I wanted to because it's so freaking hot here and we've had a lot going on. So, trying to get little clips for you guys. Right now we're at SeaWorld. You guys already saw that we was at, I think it was, let me sit down for a second. I think it was at, it was either Animal Kingdom. Yeah, I think we're at Animal Kingdom, which you guys saw. So I just got a little glimpse. Like I said, it's not much, but at least you got a chance to see some of what we were doing. I'm gonna try to get some picture inserts or whatnot from there. But yeah, at least you guys got a glimpse. So I'll get a few things from today here at SeaWorld and call it a day. Me and baby girl, we're hanging in there. Donovan and Elias and the rest of his family, they're at the show right behind me, getting ready for the dolphin show. So I'll show a little bit of that. I know you guys saw the Lion King show, a little bit of that as well. It's about to get loud, so I'll get some of it. And then there's a roller coaster behind me, so you guys can see some of it. So yeah.
there, Gather viewers. So I'm at home and I'm packing up to get ready to go do Christmas in July with Wider Circle, which is my community outreach engagement second job, if you want to call it that. So I'm gonna be going ahead and showing you guys, you know, what I'm doing out here with my peoples in the community. All right. We have packed the car up and we're headed to Krantz Park for Christmas in July. It's a community event where we give away toys to kids. It's usually very fun. We give away free food, face painting, cotton candy, snow cones, gaming truck, the whole nine. So we're gonna take you guys along that ride with me to see how Christmas in July turns out this year. It's the 4th year we did it, so hopefully we got a really good turnout. And this year I am introducing my second job, Wider Circle, to the event. Basically getting people out, and I'm going to be talking about their health. We're going to be shooting some hoops for fitness today, and we're going to be hula hooping for fitness, so hopefully it's a really good experience. We are at Myers because they sent me basketballs, but they didn't send me the little pump to blow basketballs up. So we got to get some basketball pumps because that defeats the point of having basketballs, right? So we're going to get some basketball pumps and some gift cards. Hopefully they have it at Myers and we can make this a one-trip pony. Assignment 1, done.
I'm not worried about that.
So we switched from Starbucks to Uber's gift cards because I think that's just a way better combination. People probably use Uber more than they use J. Crew, at least in my demographic that I'm targeting. So we're about to get in checkout and then be gone. So we finally did it. Took forever. 20 minutes later. We got the gift cards. We got the pin for the basketballs. We're all the way go. All right.